In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header photo to Microsoft Forms seamlessly, ensuring your forms look professional and inviting. Whether you're creating a survey, a quiz, or gathering feedback, a visually appealing header can significantly enhance the user experience. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Forms and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of results, and you'll want to click on the official Microsoft Forms link to proceed. Once the page loads, you'll see a sign-in button. If you aren't already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials. This step is crucial, as you'll need access to your Microsoft account to work with Forms. After logging in, you'll be greeted with the Microsoft Forms dashboard, a hub where you can see all your existing forms. Browse through your list and locate the form you intend to modify or design. Once you've found it, click to open it. Now that you've opened the form, direct your attention towards the top of the form. This area is known as the form header section. Click on it, which will activate editing options specific to the header. A new menu will surface, displaying an insert image icon, typically represented as a small picture logo. Click on this icon and you'll see a few options regarding image sources you can select from. You can either conduct an image search directly within Microsoft Forms, use images you've previously saved in OneDrive, or upload an image from your local device storage. Take a moment to decide which image source suits your needs best. Once you've made your choice, follow the prompts to either search, navigate, or upload your desired photo. Let's say your picture is on your computer. Select the Upload option, then browse your files to find the perfect image for your header. Select it and wait a moment as the image loads onto your form. Now you've successfully added a header photo to your Microsoft form. It's an excellent way to brand your form or simply make it more pleasant for respondents to interact with. While you're adjusting your form's visuals, keep in mind the importance of clarity in image choice. Make sure it aligns with the form's purpose. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to bring a touch of creativity to your form's appearance. Hopefully, you found this walkthrough helpful. Thank you for following along, and happy form making. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more like it, don't hesitate to subscribe and drop us any questions or suggestions you might have in the comments below.